Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing Star on the Reformer. All right, guys, Star is so hard for me. So I think those of you who are new to Star will find some pleasure in what I'm able to actually accomplish. And those of you who are more advanced, I'm going to do my very best to talk you through all the different variations. Just know that it's a process, right? And some days are better than others. So you want to have 2 springs on, and you can practice. If you have like one of those Gibson ladders on a wall, you can practice a lot of Star on that by having your arm on one of the ladder rungs. You could also probably do this on your ladder barrel rung and then practice the choreography before you're getting on a moving piece of equipment. So if you want to see that, please let me know in the comments. I'll get that filmed. But 2 springs. I put my hand in the center of the foot bar. You may find it needs to go in a different spot for you. This bottom foot is at an angle, okay? And then you come up, and ideally your top leg is hovering over the bottom leg, and you're kind of over your arm. And then both arm and leg reach up as you reach out on the carriage with your bottom leg, not your bottom arm. Then if you want to get fancy, arm and leg go forward, arm and leg go back, arm and leg go forward, arm and leg go back. And then with the carriage closed, you can circle, look back at the floor for your leg to land, and then reach. Some of you, your leg circles will be super humongous and amazing. I am not in the circus. So know that if you're like, whoa, what was all that? Do just holding, right? This just holding is enough. Get super long and just hold and think going out, going in, going out, going in, going out, going in. And then do the other side. One day, you'll go out, I got excited, and you'll come in, and your arm and leg will rise, and you'll come in. You can also, when you're first starting out, put your leg on the shoulder block and just enjoy it. As long as you keep your hips stacked and your shoulders stacked, it's not about doing the big fancy circle. It's actually about getting the connection. So find your connection first, and then add on. And again, you can practice this on a more stable piece of equipment, like putting your hand on the ladders of the ladder barrel, like on the second rung from the bottom, and practice being in a side plank, right? Be on the Gibson ladder. You'll have a lot of fun doing that. Thank you so much for watching this. If you loved it and you share it with a friend, I really appreciate you doing that. We really enjoy doing these videos for you, so make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video from us, and I'll see you next time.
Hi, I'm Meredith, and I'm one of the people creating onlinepilatesclasses.com. One of the things that I love most about this project is that we're building the very first free online catalog of Pilates exercise how-to videos. We release 3 new videos each week. People often leave comments asking Lesley to explain a specific exercise, and you can do that too. And if you love watching these videos and believe in the project of creating this catalog, you can support it by joining Lesley every week in her online mat and reformer classes. Just go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/subscribe.